Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to join you guys today because we are jumping into the Apothecary at Home box. So I found this company and I was just like so excited because I have kind of been talking to you guys recently about how like I don't feel very confident with like herbs and like just like my green witch skills. And I think that's just because like as I started, like divination was like entirely my thing, but you guys know like I have like chronic conditions and stuff, and I'm always looking for like natural treatments or like at least natural ways to like help. So I found this box and you guys, I was so freaking excited because basically like she sends you like herbs and then like kind of tells you how to make the things. I know I'm explaining that kind of poorly, but like she'll send you herbs and like containers and stuff, and then for whatever theme that month is, you can like make specific salves or like, you know, lotions or tinctures for specific ailments, and like each month it's a specific part of the body or like style of health. And I thought that was so cool because like the guidedness just is like exactly what I need because like I said, I feel kind of in the dark, like kind of like I don't really know what I'm doing. So I was really excited when I found out about this box because it has that guidedness and like you're not just like on your own to kind of figure it out. And I just think since I'm not super skilled in green witchery, like I was very excited. So this is the box. It's really pretty. I'm quite the fan of it. So I like that. So let's just jump in, yeah. I can't exactly remember how much it is a month. I'll put that here just so you guys know. Okay, so let's just jump in. So opening it up. Okay, first of all, there is this like little like floral serotonin sticker, and here, that's what it looks like. I think that's so cute. Big fan. Oh, sorry, I should tell you guys what the theme is. This month's theme is mental health mastery. And she sends you like a little guidebook kind of all about it. And it's like a big guidebook, like, let's see, 20 pages long. This was like really interesting to me. You guys know that I have dealt with mental illness and whatnot for a while. So I thought that was pretty cool. But yeah, I guess that explains the serotonin sticker a little bit more. So first thing is this guidebook. That's what it looks like. And there are contents. And like I said, like it's really in depth. It has like the inside this box thing, so I don't want to peek. I don't want you guys to sneak peek. Journal prompts, recommended readings specifically for mental health mastery. Like goes into like the nervous system, herbs and the nervous system, talks about chamomile, lemon balm, like so much info. So, and then recipes. I don't want to peek too much. Oh, and then video resources with like QR codes and stuff. And then a study checklist. Ooh, and this is August box is herbal first aid. That's super cool. Awesome. So that is nice. That is like a lot of information. So like that makes me feel like good because like I said, I'm just kind of a little bit in the dark about, you know, using herbs and whatnot. And so I like that someone with like a lot more of an understanding is like here to help. And then there is this like welcome booklet, and it is really long as well. 15 pages, vocabulary terms, materials. Yeah, so this is really kind of just like an all-encompassing like first, I think it's just like your first welcome booklet that talks about kind of like what's gonna be going on. So that's exciting. So you get these art prints, which I think are so freaking cute because like, I don't know, they're very pretty. You can put these in like your book of shadows or kind of just hang them up. I think this would be really pretty in my dining room because it's kind of got like a light and like fresh boho vibe to it. And I really like it. It's just very cute and soft. So that's the first thing you get. Then you get this loose leaf stress relief tea blend. Yeah, it just says this is like a bonus gift, so it's not like in their specific thing, but you get it. That's exciting. I've been getting so much freaking tea, but I'm really into it because I've been trying to lucid dream. I used to be really, really good at lucid dreaming, and then I kind of just like stopped being good at it. So I've been trying to get tea for nighttime. So I like that that's caffeine free. And then you get 2 little seed things, like seed pouches to plant your own. And I really like this because I've been trying to create my own herb garden. We have like this little grow light in our house that's for growing herbs and stuff. So that's really exciting. Because those are the herbs this month, is chamomile and lemon balm. Like they're like the spotlighted herbs. So they send you the herbs in these cute little bags, and it says 2 ounces, but it's like a full bag. So I don't know if you can see. I don't know if you guys can see, but I love lemon balm. I love the scent of it. That's like a really good amount, like an entire bag full. Same thing with the chamomile. Nice big bag. Love it. I always like love to give it a sniff. I don't know, that's like my thing. And last big bag is lavender, and this is just 1 ounce. I think it's like the mystery bonus herb. And you guys already know, I am such a fan of lavender. And so it's just lavender buds. Nice. Okay, and then you get 2 jars. It says 4 ounce glass maceration jars. So I'm assuming that this is for like the ideas, the things you can make. So maybe it is a balm, or maybe these are just like what you store it in. Again, like I don't really fully know what I'm doing. Because you probably do need like an airtight container. So those are good sizes, and they are 4 ounces. That makes sense, I think. And you get these. It says reusable muslin cloth straining bag, and inside it they packed these little like tincture boys? What are these called? Amber glass dropper bottles. That's exciting. And so you get 2 of those. So 2 of the bags and 2 of those bottles. I wonder, so maybe the bags are for storing too. I don't know. And then you get a ton of these Apothecary At Home stickers for like labeling your jars. And that is it, you guys. They say in here some like ideas, so I want to look at that really quick. I don't know exactly what I want to make. Again, like I feel a little bit like, I don't know, like how to, here we go. I don't know how to take it on, you know what I mean? Like I've got the stuff and now I'm like, okay. And so they did go into like carrier oils and like the basics of making your own apothecary items at home. This excites me so much because when I was a kid, I used to like make my own skincare stuff and like make my own makeup. And this is like the health version of that. And I always see like my essential oil, like drops for meditation and stuff. And I'm like, I could totally make this. You know what I mean? So this is exciting. So there are tincture ideas. It says this month we encourage you to try making a tincture and infused oil. So the tincture ideas with chamomile, it's to help stress, digestive issues, and sleeplessness. Lemon balm is for anxiety, depression, cramps, and even cold sores. Lavender is for calming support, emotional well-being, and bug bites. And then the infused oil says for massage or anointing. That's what I was just saying, basically. Chamomile for muscle cramps, skin inflammation, and bug bites. Lemon balm for chapped lips, diaper rashes, and hemorrhoids. Lavender for aromatherapy, depression, anxiety, insomnia. Ooh. So I think I kind of want to do the chamomile tincture for stress, digestive issues, and sleeplessness. And I think I want to do the lavender infused oil for like aromatherapy, depression, anxiety, insomnia, because you know your girl's got depression. You know she does. It also says you can use them in a tea infusion. And like they really go in on, oh wow, and there's just so many recipes for like when you go into making it, so that's really, really good. That makes me feel better because, you know, I just literally need like so much guidance. But they go into like getting connected with the herbs first and like kind of creating a relationship with them, getting to know them and like showing them respect before you start to create things. And I love that. Like I really, really love that approach. It's very holistic and just natural, and I'm just really into it. So man, I'm really, really pumped. I want to make that lavender oil like right now. So do you guys want to see like a video on Instagram or something? I can totally do like some sort of IGTV video of me making it, or you know, the after, you know, what it looks like and smells like and stuff. Or even if you guys like wanted to, like if you guys were super into this and got it yourself, we could do like a live thing and we could all do it together. I think that'd be cute. That might be a cute Patreon thing, but either way, like I think it'd be really fun to do stuff with you guys like live, you know what I mean? But either way, let me know what you guys think. I'm really into this. I feel very excited. I'm feeling like Page of Wands energy right now. I'm just like, ooh, I'm so curious of this, like big, like the Fool tarot card, honestly. I just kind of want to get started into it. So, this is so cute. I love the little extra gifts too that just like relate kind of to it, like the paintings and the serotonin sticker and the tea. I'm a big fan. I probably won't make any tea, just because I'm very interested in the like oil side of things. So, again, so much info. Okay, what'd you guys think? Did you like it? I'm really into it. I'm excited to hear your guys' thoughts and what you think, but either way, thank you so, so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all next time. Bye!